CXAI stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person in this space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With CXApp, I mean, all I can tell you is that I'm definitely looking to take it further up. Well, that's how it looked like to me, right? After it started pumping, I'm like, okay, I'm going to be on the right side of the screen. And clearly, since it broke 105, I'm like, right, wrong call. Never even took no trades here because obviously no rules got met. Like, when something is not going the way that I like it to go, like, I'm not just going to take trades if no rules are met, you know, just to kind of revenge trade. Because I've revenge traded in the past. I mean, over five years and 40,000 videos made, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. The revenge trading especially hasn't worked. But in this particular instance, more like than not, it's going to keep melting. Therefore, I would rather be on the right side of the market. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.